Welcome there. Welcome to our new video. Today I will show you how to protect your store by password when your store is working or another process. When you create your store but log in your store, then when visit your store, this is store link, but I am going to new incognito window. Then you can see this interface. When visitor visit your store, then you they can see this interface, but I want to don't I don't want to protect password and everything. When buy a plan, then you can remove your password from your store. How to possible? First go to your online store, then preference, click preference. When click preference, scroll down, you can see this option. But my store is not buy a plan, then I am not restricted my password, but you maybe you have to buy a plan, then you can see this option available for you, then click here and click save changes. This is small process how to protect or unprotect your store by password when your store is working. Thank you for watching.